We all love our plants, but sometimes we love them a little too much. Overwatering is a common problem, leading to root rot and unhappy plants. But fear not, fellow plant parents. Technology is here to help with gadgets like the RAINPOINT Smart Moisture Meter. This handy device takes the guesswork out of watering, letting you know exactly when your green friends need a drink. No more soggy soil or drooping leaves. The RAINPOINT meter promises to keep your plants thriving with its smart technology and user-friendly design. The RAINPOINT Smart Moisture Meter is a small wireless device that you place in your plant's soil. It looks like a little stick with a sensor on the end. Don't let its size fool you. This gadget is packed with features to keep your plants happy. This clever device monitors the moisture levels in your plant's soil and sends the information straight to your smartphone. Imagine. No more poking around in the dirt with your fingers. You'll always know when your plant is thirsty, thanks to the RAINPOINT meter. So how does it work? The RAINPOINT meter uses a special sensor to measure the moisture level in the soil. This information is then sent wirelessly to a hub that you plug into your wall outlet. The hub acts like a messenger, sending the data from the sensor to your phone through an app. The app is easy to use and lets you track the moisture levels of all your plants in one place. You can even set up alerts, so you'll get a notification on your phone when it's time to water. No more guessing games. Section 4. Real-world results. Does it hold water? I decided to put the RAINPOINT to the test with my own houseplants. I have to say, I was impressed. The setup was a breeze and the app was very user-friendly. I loved being able to see the exact moisture level of my plants at a glance. Other users seem to agree. Online reviews praise the RAINPOINT meter for its accuracy, ease of use, and helpful app notifications. Some users did mention that the battery life of the sensor could be better, but overall, the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. Section 5. Weighing the pros and cons. Like any gadget, the RAINPOINT meter has its pros and cons. On the plus side, it's incredibly convenient, easy to use, and takes the guesswork out of watering. The app is well designed and provides valuable insights into your plant's needs. However, some drawbacks include the initial cost, the reliance on technology, and the potential for technical glitches. The battery life of the sensor could also be improved. Section 6. Is RAINPOINT right for you? So, who would benefit most from the RAINPOINT Smart Moisture Meter? If you're a forgetful plant parent, struggle with overwatering, or simply want to take a more data-driven approach to plant care, this gadget could be a game changer. It's also a great option for tech-savvy gardeners who love to monitor their plants' progress. However, if you're on a tight budget or prefer a more hands-on approach to gardening, the RAINPOINT meter might not be necessary. Section 7. The verdict to buy or not to buy. Overall, the RAINPOINT Smart Moisture Meter is a valuable tool for any plant lover looking to take the guesswork out of watering. It's convenient, accurate, and provides peace of mind. While the price tag might be a deterrent for some, the long-term benefits of healthier, happier plants make it a worthwhile investment for many. If you're tired of soggy soil and wilting leaves, give the RAINPOINT Smart Moisture Meter a try. Your plants will thank you for it.